Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to sign into your PS5 account with a pass key, and it's basically like a no password required. It's pretty secure and it's pretty good overall. I think it's better than the other like method where you just put in like, you know, square, X, whatever. It's like a 4-digit passcode. Anyways, let's get started. So the first thing you guys want to do is you're going to go to settings. From settings you're going to go to users and accounts. From users and accounts you're going to go to accounts, and then you're going to scroll down until you see security, and then from security you're going to click X. Now once you are here, you're going to click on sign in with passkey, and what it should say deactivated, so all you have to do is just click X in order to activate it. And basically what will happen is a QR code will pop up, and all you do is just, you know, scan the QR code with your phone, and you just follow the instructions from there. It will take you, I think, to the PlayStation account or Microsoft, I can't remember it correctly, but it will bring you to somewhere, and it's basically just simple from there, and it's pretty easy from there. And yeah, that is basically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.